Welcome to the enchanting city of Paris, where art, history, and romance intertwine. As your tour guide, I'll lead you through some of the most iconic landmarks and experiences this vibrant city has to offer. Start your journey at the Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris. Climb to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline. Nearby, you'll find the Seine River, where a leisurely boat cruise will reveal charming bridges, including the Pont Neuf. Discover the Louvre Museum, home to thousands of masterpieces including the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Stroll through the charming streets of Montmartre, known for its artistic legacy and the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica atop the hill. Indulge your senses at local cafes, savoring croissants and espresso. Wander along the Champs-Élysées to the Arc de Triomphe, a tribute to French victories. Don't miss the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, in the revitalized Les Halles district. Explore the Latin Quarter, known for its student atmosphere and vibrant nightlife. Delve into history at the Palace of Versailles, a short train ride away, with its opulent gardens and grand halls. For a taste of local culture, visit bustling markets like Rue Malfitard. Complete your journey at the Musée d'Orsay, showcasing Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art. End your evenings with a cabaret show at the Moulin Rouge, a quintessential Parisian experience. Paris is a city of contrasts, where the past and present harmoniously coexist. Its charm, elegance, and artistic allure are bound to leave you captivated and yearning for more. So, immerse yourself in the magic of Paris, where every corner tells a story of beauty and history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.